how to sign up on Venmo. So if you decide that now you want to learn how you want to create a Venmo account, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is, first of all, make sure to launch your Play Store or your App Store and make sure that you've downloaded the Venmo application. Once you've downloaded the Venmo app, you want to simply open it up. Now, if you already have an account, you can tap the login button to log in. But since you don't, you can just tap on the create account button right there. On the next page, you'll find a couple of options. You can choose to allow the notifications, and whatever else it is you prefer, you can tap on create account button. It'll ask how will you use Venmo, select your reason. And you'll see a couple of options where you have to go ahead and also verify with your phone number. So make sure to verify your phone number, enter the code that will be sent to your phone number. You can set up your account using your legal information like your legal first name, last name, username, and so on. After you've done that, you can also take a quick look at their fees and their payment options. And once done, you will be able to connect with your friends, sync the contacts, add a debit card if you have, or skip that process, and you'll be successfully logged in and opened up your Venmo account. This way you'll be able to sign up on Venmo. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.